Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Play Store in any Poco phone. Now currently if I search Play Store in my Poco phone, I cannot find the Play Store. Now to enable Play Store in any Poco phone, just go to your home screen. Now from here just tap on Settings. Now from here scroll down and tap on Apps. Now from here just tap on Manage Apps. Now from here search Play Store. Now from here just tap on Play Store. Now from here just tap on this enable option to enable Play Store. Now as you can see, Play Store is enabled. Now from here, once you enable the Play Store, from the settings just go to your home screen. Now from here, if we search Play Store, we can find the Play Store in our app drawer. Now from here just tap and hold the Play Store icon and drag it to your home screen. Now as you can see, this is how you can enable Play Store on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.